In this video, we will build a hypothetical structure by using the framework generator, and we will see the use of the structural folders. The frame generator command can be found under the edit menu. The building will be 7 stories height, 5 bays in one direction and 3 bays in the other direction. We will adjust the bay width and store heights later using grids. As you can see, S-Frame has generated a set of folders corresponding to the various levels of beams and columns. So we have the level 1 beams, level 2 beams, 3rd floor, 4th floor beams, etc. These folders function like Windows Explorer. If you click the folder once, pause for a moment, and click the folder again, you can change the name of the folder. Let's assign ground floor to the level 1 beams and roof beams to the uppermost level. If you right-click on a folder, there are several options. Let's create a subfolder under the level 1 columns folder. We will call the folder Exterior. We can now unselect the interior columns by holding the Ctrl and the Shift key and left button drag. As we can see, we have unselected the interior columns, and we will need to update the subfolder before proceeding to the next step. Next, we'll create a new folder for the interior columns. With the same process, we can unselect the exterior columns and update the folder. Using structural folders can greatly simplify the work involved. Isolating groups of members in folder and subfolders can save you time in terms of organizing, reviewing, and printing input, data, and results.